So part number 1, business-related material. The prohibition on reading business-related material applies to all material associated with a business matter. Okay. So all of the bills, whatever we have, bank statements, whatever we have. This includes, for example, formal and informal contracts. Okay. So contracts, I guess it's more for businessmen. I mean, or even for example, sometimes they send me altogether new updated contracts. So you have a bank card, you have a credit card. So from time to time they update terms and conditions, and they send you this 40 pages updates. I don't know. I never read these updates, but I guess some people will do. Maybe sometimes they give you free benefits. I don't know, whatever. So people want to read, right? This includes, for example, formal and informal contracts, bills and receipts. Okay. Bank statements, blueprints, and floor plans. Okay. So again, it includes formal and informal contracts, bills, and receipts, whatever our personal finances, bank statements, blueprints, and floor plans. Okay. The prohibition also applies to reading advertisements. So that's the problem. You buy any newspaper, even the religious newspaper, right? So I'm not sure if they still sell them. I think I would say they still sell them. I mean, it's not like I read them, but I think they should still sell this religious newspaper. And of course, they have a lot of advertisements. Right, which is wrong. So a person says, "Oh, they have this on sale, that on sale," which would be prohibited, of course. This includes the advertisement printed in newspapers and magazines, catalogs offering merchandise or service for sale, right? And advertisement flyers are distributed by the stores or included in the pull-out section in a newspaper, right? So all of these are problematic. Okay, so again, all of this advertisement in the magazine, the newspapers, okay, everywhere. So part number 2. So that's straightforward. So person, I need the carpet cleaning, I need the window fixing, whatever we need. Okay, so he would look for advertisement. And might lead them maybe to tear out this advertisement. Right? Possible. Person might forget today's Shabbos.